Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today I'll be showing you how to be making a water sprayer. You can use this to water your plants, or if you want to sanitize a large area or a small area, you can do that. We're just making a more universal device to help make your everyday tasks easier. The first thing you're going to need is going to be the bucket. The bucket's going to be holding your liquid. It's going to be your supply. It's going to be your source of where all the stuff is coming from. And then the next thing you're going to need is the pump, which is going to be moving the water or the liquid in and out of your supply source. And then in order to power that, you're going to need the battery. This is a 12-volt battery, and you can find both the battery and the pump at probably any hardware store. And then in order to help the water have a direct path, you're going to need the tubes. The tubes are going to help out. And then depending on what you're going to use it for, you're going to need either a nozzle, which this one's going to be useful for long distance ones, or if you want a shorter distance one, this. I took this off of a little spray bottle, and it's going to be effective for the short distances. And then in order to secure the battery, we're going to need the double-sided tape, and we're just going to put that on the bucket there. Now here we have the switch. The switch allows us to toggle the power on and off, so that if you don't want the nozzle to spray anymore, you can just turn it off, and then when you need it on again. Alright, so the first step is to put the pump onto the lid. So we're going to need to secure it onto the lid, and then you're going to need the tubes attached to the outlet and then the inlet side here. The outlet is connected to the nozzle here, so then it can actually start spraying. And then the tube here goes into the bucket so it can draw the water out and send it through the nozzle. Now it's time to connect the pump to the switch that allows us to toggle it on and off. So there's a red wire and there's a black wire. So you want to connect red wire to one and then the black wire to the other. The red wire is the positive, the black wire is the negative. And you want to keep this in mind because when you go to connect it to the battery, the positive one goes here. As you can see, it's marked with a plus, which is positive. And then the black wire would go here because it's negative, and this one's marked with a negative. So now that the wires are connected to the battery, we need to secure it with black electrical tape. The pump is connected to the switch, which is connected to the battery. Now I'm going to be putting the double-sided tape on the bottom of the battery so I can secure it to the lid. As you can see now, the battery is secured on the lid. For temporary use, using double-sided tape to secure it into place works fine. But if you want it there permanently, you may need brackets to hold it in place. Now, let's test it out. Alright, let's turn it on and see how it works. As you can see, what we just did there was the long distance one. If you want to do a short distance, you can adjust the nozzle and turn it into a fan shape, which can help you with your short distance needs.